Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to link directly from your learning playlist directly into a Canvas assignment. So we want to make this as streamlined and as easy as possible for students to submit their assignments to us so we can get them feedback right away. So this is how we do it. Okay, so first of all, you got to figure out where your link is going to be. So my link right here is please submit your vocabulary scavenger hunt document for review in our Canvas course. So what I can do is actually insert a link directly to there that links right to the exact page that I want them to view in their Canvas page. So this is the vocabulary scavenger hunt turn-in. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy the link address. Okay, again, that is right click and then copy the link address. Okay, then I'm going to head back to my document. I'm going to highlight where I want my link to be. So I want the vocabulary scavenger hunt right here. Okay, I am going to click the add the hyperlink or insert link, and I'm going to paste my link directly in here. So if I apply it, now this is a clickable link that will link it directly to their Canvas page. And let me show you what this looks like for a student view. So if I switch to student view, okay, there's the Canvas page. All right, I'm a student. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to click on the vocabulary scavenger hunt link. It's going to take me directly into my course and actually directly to the assignment. So now I can submit the assignment. I know exactly where it is. So there's not a whole bunch of clicking or redirecting. It takes me directly to where I need to turn that assignment in. Hopefully this is helpful to you if you're using Canvas, and good luck.